metres, height at 47 metres. Well, the height is about the same height as the Carbarara Bridge near Queenstown, which is used for the commercial bungee jumping operation. Of course, we will be back this way a little later, another opportunity for a photograph. Once again, it's quite a privilege to see this waterfall flowing. It's normally dry during the summer period. That stone we see down to the side, that's the stone that the workers just threw over the edge. That's been there getting on for 125 years.
Bye-bye, train.
So now we walk home.
Always with an audience.
Should be right?
Yeah, I think we are. Can you pull that top branch out though?
No, because if I pull that out, all that's going to come down.
Oh yeah.
If I pull that branch out, Ken, all that's going to come down. Just while we pass this area just here. Well, passengers, please return inside the carriages. That's why we go.